Hola, hola, welcome back to the Spanish word of the day with Mr. Briggs. Hola, my dear amigos. Today's word is the word shy in Spanish. And as you may be already aware, I upload videos every day, so click that red button, subscribe, and start learning Spanish with me. I upload daily. Muy bien, amigos, let's commence. Shy in Spanish is tímido or tímida, meaning shy, and it's very similar to the word timid. Now, there's something important I need to tell you. There are two to-be verbs in Spanish that can be used with this word. Due to time constraints for this video, I will cover this very briefly, but feel free to watch my other videos where I discuss ser and estar extensively. I'll leave the link at the end of this video and also in the description. Okay, so ser is used for permanent things. For example, when you talk in the first person, for example, if you talk about yourself, you would say, yo soy tímido, which means I'm shy. Yo soy tímido, that's one of my characteristics. I'm always tímido. Now, when we talk about temporary things like emotions, you're feeling shy, but you're not always shy, then you use estar. And then you would say, yo estoy tímido, meaning something like, I'm feeling shy right now, but maybe I'll feel alright later on. We'll go through some examples so you get the hang of this. And feel free to watch my playlist where I discuss ser and estar in a more extensive manner. Okay, so ser permanent. Yo soy tímida, I'm shy. That's one of my characteristics. If you're a female and you're shy, you would say, yo soy tímida, I'm shy. Yo soy tímida. Now, if you're feeling shy but you're not shy, it's something temporary, we use the verb estar. So then we say, yo estoy tímida. I'm feeling shy. Yo estoy tímida. In this party, I'm feeling shy, and so on. Yo estoy tímida. But I'm not tímida with my friends because I felt comfortable. You get the idea. Él es tímido. He is shy. Él es tímido. That's one of his personality characteristics. He's shy. Él es tímido. Can you say it? Él es tímido. On the other hand, maybe he's not shy, but he's feeling shy because the girl that he really likes is sitting down across the park. So then you would say, and you would use the verb estar, you would say, él está tímido. He's feeling shy. Él está tímido. So he's shy right now because the girl that he likes so much is over there. He's feeling a little bit intimidated. Él está tímido. Okay, let's see a few more ejemplos. Ella es tímida. She is shy. When we say ella es tímida, we mean that that's a personality. It's one of her characteristics. Ella es tímida. She is shy. Ella es tímida. On the other hand, when we say ella está tímida, that means that she's shy. She's being shy right now. But maybe she's not shy with her friends or her family. So, we use the verb estar because it's a temporary emotion. Ella está tímida. She's feeling shy. Okay, let's see some examples using the past tense. We're going to learn how to use the word shy, tímido o tímida, in the past tense. Él era tímido, which means he used to be shy. Yes, él era tímido many years ago, but he's not shy anymore. So we use era when we're talking about he used to be shy. Él era tímido. Now, if we want to say that he was feeling shy, we'd say él estaba tímido. Él estaba tímido. Maybe he was shy during a meeting. He was feeling nervous during the job interview. Él estaba tímido. But maybe he was a really outgoing guy outside. Ella era tímida. She used to be shy. Ella era tímida when she was younger and inexperienced. Now, she's a professional. She's not shy anymore. But when we talk about the past, we say ella era. She used to be tímida. Now, the same applies with the verb estar in the past tense. Ella estaba tímida. She was feeling shy. She was feeling timid during that exchange or during that reunion. Ella estaba tímida. Please watch my playlist where I speak extensively about the verb ser and estar. Due to time constraints, I'm unable to do extensively on this video, but if you watch the playlist, you'll get the hang of it. Okay, so the word shy in Spanish, tímido, if you're a male, and if you're a female, tímida. Okay, my dear amigos, muchas gracias. Don't forget to check my videos and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comments section. And if there's any suggestion, if you want to see any specific videos or if you have any ideas, make sure that you let me know. I read all my comments. Thank you very much, my dear amigos, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Ciao, ciao.